If you're wondering how to recover your Snapchat My Eyes Only photos, I'm going to explain everything you need to know so you don't lose important memories. First of all, open the Snapchat app and go to the Memories section. Then tap on My Eyes Only and enter your passcode. If you've lost access to My Eyes Only photos because the passcode is forgotten or removed, Snapchat cannot recover the photos that were already there. This is the part of their security design. Once you reset the passcode, previous content is permanently deleted. However, if you still have access to My Eyes Only and want to avoid losing photos in the future, make sure to regularly back up your memories. You can export important photos to your camera roll or another secure storage before adding them to My Eyes Only. Additionally, if you ever see issues where your photos don't appear even though your passcode is correct, try updating the app or reinstalling it. Sometimes minor glitches prevent My Eyes Only photos from showing up. So, while there is no way to recover lost My Eyes Only photos after a passcode reset, you can prevent future losses by backing up your memories. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.